She's here, guys. This is it. Oh my. We're here! We are in it right now! Oh my god! Right now, we're in Irma! He just made impact here in Orlando, Florida, and the wind gusts are so strong! Okay guys, this is starting to get, anyway, there's really nothing crazy going on right now. If I pull up my app, I have barometers and wind speeds. Let's see, temperature outside right now is 78. We've got some cloud coverage, we got some rain. Pull up my wind compass here. 37-mile-an-hour winds right now. Oh, I'm sorry, never mind. Not even that. Last record produced 7:13 p.m. is 18.5 miles per hour. The largest hurricane, the longest lasting hurricane ever is producing 18.5 miles per hour.
You sound disappointed.
I am a little disappointed if you can't tell already. And right now there's nothing going on. We seeked shelter for 17-mile-an-hour winds. But I'm looking at probably 3 to 4 hours on the ground since landfall, and it's already fallen apart. The eye wall is losing power. No one has shown me any footage of a 15-foot storm surge. Anyways, that's where we're at right now. It's not that much of a disappointment. He's in the Keys. This guy's in the Keys right now. Did you see the lights flash? Did you guys see the lights flash just then? I'm like frantically eating right now. I'm so nervous. Hold on, I need to show you guys this real quick. Okay, so I know this looks really confusing to look at, but if you see that dot right there, that's basically us. We just have it locked in on Orlando. I guess there's a coast here. That's about, I'd say about an hour drive to get over to there. So what do you think, about 50, 40?
65 miles.
65 miles?
I'm gonna back out, maybe you can see a little bit more of it.
I think Murphy's eating the toys. Does she do that? Yeah.
There we go.
All right, so if we're gonna get something, it's gonna be from this heat that it was not here on this frame. It's gonna be, there's the eye.
5:45.
There's one
6.
band.
This is 6 o'clock. This is 6:06, 6:11, 6:16, 6:21, 6:26, 6:30, 6:36, 6:41, 6:46, 6:51, 7 o'clock, 7:06, 7:11, 7:16, 7:21, and it stopped.
7:21, and it is
7:27.
Oh.
It's about a 5-6 minute delay behind it. So
Looks like if I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go now.
you're.
All right, I guess we're gonna have to do this.
What are you doing?
Going to the house, get Marcus food. I have to. I'm sorry. I have to go.
He purposely did this so he could get out with his camera and take video for you guys. So y'all should appreciate it.
A little bit, yeah.
Hurry, the gap is closing.
But this,
Time is running
this
out.
All right, guys. We just made it out of the parking garage, and it looks like we got a little bit of gust going on. You know, some wind beating down here. Not much. All right, let's go. Let's take a look around. Oh, these lights are out here. All right, so let me get my light on here. All right, now you guys can see me. Oh, there we go. All right, well, we got out of the condo, and now we are on the road heading through the Orlando area, more of the heavy foliaged stuff. We already got some power outages, but not significant. And the wind is not too bad. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I've drove through stronger thunderstorms than I have this. All right, people have really wrapped up shop. Still the only car currently on the road. Now the wind, I'm not gonna lie to you guys right now. I am actually really scared. You know, I'm underneath some really old trees right now. I mean, this is actually really terrifying because what's happening is I'm driving underneath a bunch of very old oak trees. And at any moment, any of these trees could snap. So let's see if we can get off this road. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that was debris. It's here. She's here, guys. This is it. I can feel it in my heart, man. This is it. I'm actually a little scared right now. Guys, this is it. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. We gotta get back. This is gonna be bad. We gotta get out of this area. This ain't no joke. This is really bad. We gotta get out of here. There's debris in the road. I see one car. She's here, guys. This is it. It's kicking my car around. I can feel the wind smashing up against the car. Oh my God, I just saw the green light on the sky. Did you see the transformer blow up? We gotta hurry. We have got to hurry. We gotta get out of here.
East Central Florida, Northern Brevard County in Florida, Southeastern Volusia County, in East Central Florida, untapped, flying debris will be
gotta seek shelter now.
without shelter. All homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles.
There was another transformer blow up right there. Alright. Me and this car are hauling butt through here right now because this ain't no joke. This wind is tearing us up. Okay, I'm gonna pull off into this parking lot real quick here. Wow, guys, this ain't no joke. I'm in it right now. Maybe that wasn't a close enough call. Maybe we should go again. Dude, this guy is hauling butt right here. Hey, babe.
Hey,
How you doing?
did you make it to the house yet?
No.
Alright, well, I think you left my blanket, my white fluffy blanket.
I did. I'll get it for you.
I think I'll need that.
How's it going over there at the house right now?
It's windy.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, we'll get back here.
I will. I just, I'm trying to be very careful. I'm the only person out here. And it's, I'm scared. So let me go. There's a lot of debris in the road.
Don't drive filming yourself, please.
I'm not.
You really have to pay attention.
Yeah, I'm just, this thing is just sitting next to me and we're We're just gonna get there. We're getting there, okay?
Okay.
All right, let me go. I love you.
Love you too, bye.
Bye. Into the devil's mouth here. I see some cops out. Jesus, God, this is bad. This is really bad. It is really hard to keep this focused. Oh, look at the skylight up, those transformers blowing. Sorry, buddy, I'm not stopping right now. Okay, I gotta stop real quick. I'm in my neighborhood. I made it. My heart is racing right now. I'm so scared. I've never driven anything like this before. I mean, it's pushing me. I'm nervous. I'm underneath huge trees. There's debris everywhere through here. Oh my God. Limbs down, I'm dodging. Let's keep moving. Oh God, there's already trees down. Phone has to stay with you. Oh, limbs just fogged up on me. Sorry guys, I can't see anything because let me get a rag out. I'm here, I made it to the house. Okay, hey guys. That was terrifying. I'm not gonna lie, that was really scary. We're already got a lot of men to hurry and get up out of here. Oh God, there's a tree. Oh my God. terrifying. I am like, I'm so scared. Oh my God. It's terrifying out there. Yeah, we're on YouTube.
We'll get what she needs, okay?
Okay,
Bye.
bye. All right, guys. I made it across town. You guys just saw
Worried me there for a second.
I got nervous. I'm still worked up right now because it's scary. You're out there by yourself. You don't know if there's a branch. You guys saw the trees I was dodging and how loud it was. The house was roaring. It was probably one of the most. Oh, you can hear you.
Oh yeah, you were saying nothing was gonna happen. You're not gonna cut that out, are
No,
you?
I'll leave it on there for you guys. I bet you're all getting a nice laugh now. But, we are in curfew, and what you just saw was me out
On the roof.
on the roof and going around town past curfew, which
Rebel.
you know. Anyways, we are just getting started. It is 8:52 and we haven't even seen exactly what this storm can do. So we're just gonna.
We're still just on the outer circles of it.